Welcome, cleaning enthusiasts and reluctant tidiers alike. Are you ready to conquer the mess without breaking a sweat? Let's dive into the ultimate daily cleaning mini routine that's so simple and fun, you might actually look forward to it. All right, first up, we're tackling the sink. Every superhero has their nemesis, and for most of us, it's the kitchen sink. Grab that sponge, channel your inner warrior, and give it a quick scrub. Trust me, nothing says, "I've got my life together," quite like a shiny sink. Next, it's time for a quick dust off. Pick one surface, yes, just one, and give it some love. Now, let's talk floors. No need for a full vacuum marathon, just a quick sweep of the high traffic areas. Finally, the pièce de résistance, the 5-minute pickup game. Set a timer and see how much clutter you can conquer before the buzzer. And there you have it, your daily cleaning mini routine, served up with a side of humor and a sprinkle of joy. Remember, a little effort each day keeps the chaos at bay. Now go forth and tidy up. You've got this.